Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Dee, and Dee, we are now 14 months edgiversary.
Yeah.
And tell everybody about your experience and your emotions and your outcome.
Yeah, so I've always struggled with hair loss. I had it all on my perimeter, like all the way back. It was a huge area, and I've always had to wear like wigs or somehow try to figure out a hairstyle to cover up my edges, which was like next to impossible. So I found Dr. Siegel here at Natural Transplants, and literally he has changed my life. Like the coverage, guys, like life changing. I don't even know what to say. Literally, this has been the best decision I've ever made. I even brought my sister here because I'm like, you gotta come in here. Like it is just the best. It's the best experience, the best surgery I've ever had. It's fun. The team, like everything was amazing. So if you have ever had hair struggles, or if you're thinking about it, stop thinking about it and do it. I swear you won't regret it.
And your incision site. It took me about 5 minutes to try to find this scar.
Yeah, like literally it looks like just a part in my hair. There's really no incision line. It's kind of hard to find, but it's non-intrusive to life.
Well, you did absolutely amazing. You look amazing. I'm so excited for you. You know, and I think the most important thing, which I will say, it's not 100% density, but it filled in your edges. And when we compare the before pictures to how you look now, you're able to style your hair again. You're able to feel confident about your hair again.
Yeah.
And that's...
sorry to cut you off. I literally didn't have a hairline. So, like, for me to now have a hairline and be able to do a cut and put my hair behind my ear, even like let the wind blow and not be afraid of like what is revealed if the wind blows the wrong direction. It's like, it's phenomenal.
Well, I thank you so much for coming in with your sister, let alone doing a video for us. You look amazing, and always an open door policy. You also have my personal cell phone number, so if you ever need anything, you know you can always call me. And thank you again. And again, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. If you're looking for a hair restoration, please come visit us. Thanks.
No, thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.